Okay, two basic triangles. What are the two basic triangles? What are the side lengths? One basic triangle is the 45, 45, 90 triangle. And that's one of the reasons why we wanted the 45 degrees in the previous lecture. So if this is 45, remember in radians, 45 degrees is pi over 4. And that's a right angle. Same angle means that the sides are the same length. I'll call that x. And we'll make the hypotenuse 1. Okay, so what's x then? Pythagoras' theorem tells me that x squared plus x squared equals 1. This side squared plus this side squared is the hypotenuse squared. So 2x squared equals 1. X squared equals 1/2. X must be square root of 1/2. Technically plus or minus there, but we're looking for lengths and we want that to be positive. So this is square root of 1 is 1, square root of 2 is square root of 2, so it's 1 over square root of 2. Often we like to write this with no square roots in the denominator. 1 times square root of 2 is square root of 2. Square root of 2 times square root of 2 is 2. So either this or this is acceptable for the side lengths. Square root of 2 over 2, x equals square root of 2 over 2. Oh, I guess I was supposed to have done this calculation down here, but that's okay. 30, 60, 90 triangle. Well, if you think about an equilateral triangle that's got all side lengths the same length and all angles the same, we know that the angles in a triangle add to 180 degrees if I have 3 angles, each of which are the same size, and they add up to 180 degrees. So each is 180 over 3, which is 60 degrees. And 60 degrees is pi over 3. Pi over 3, pi over 3. So this is an equilateral triangle. What I actually want to do with the equilateral triangle, so I'll draw another one here, is I want to draw the altitude of it, and we'll say that's got a height h. So this is going to split the triangle into 2 halves. That means this side is 1/2. This side is still 1. This angle is still pi over 3, which is 60 degrees. This angle now has been cut in half from the pi over 3 that it started with, so this is pi over 6. And then this is a right angle down here. And so that tells me then that the sides h squared plus 1/2 squared has to equal the hypotenuse squared. So h squared plus 1/4 equals 1/4. Which means h squared equals 1 minus 1/4, which is 3/4. So h equals the square root of 3/4, which is the square root of 3 over 2, because the square root of 4 is 2. And so that gives me my 30, 60, 90 triangle and my 45, 45, 90 triangle. Just to draw them, 45, 45, 90 is angles are pi over 4 and pi over 4 with a right angle here. This side length is square root of 2 over 2. This side length is square root of 2 over 2. Hypotenuse is 1. 30, 60, 90 triangle. I'm going to put it on its side. The small angle is pi over 6. The big angle is pi over 3. The side opposite the big angle is square root of 3 over 2. Opposite the small angle is 1/2, and then 1 for the hypotenuse. So those are my basic triangles, and we'll see them again.